Hi, I'm Stacy Mueller and I'm your Library 10 teacher, which goes along with your English 1A class with Professor Leal. Today I wanted to show you something called a research guide that we developed specifically for your class that's going to help you do lots of things having to do with a research paper, including developing a topic, searching effectively, finding sources, and Mla citation. I'm just going to do an overview of the research guide. You can go through it yourself, but I just wanted to do an intro for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'll be sending a direct link to this for you, both via email, and it'll be on the Canvas website as well. The first thing is developing a topic. Many of you may already have a topic, but if not, we have some ideas here on the screen, including some of our databases and even Wikipedia, which can really help you develop a topic that you might be interested in writing about. The second thing we have here is searching effectively. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And so on this page, we're talking about how to find keywords in order to find articles in different sources, different websites that you can use in order to do your research to write a paper. So unlike Google, which you can put in really a question or a full sentence, our databases really use keywords. So for example, if you had the question, what was the effect of social media on candidate preference in the 2016 U.S. presidential election, you would want to use the keywords social media, candidate preference, and the 2016 U.S. presidential election as well. So that's kind of your basic search. And then there's some tips here about advanced search tips as well. The next thing, once you have your keywords, is finding sources. So using the library website, you can do one of two things. You can use OneSearch, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this to show you. OneSearch searches all of our databases all at once. And this is really great if you have kind of a specific topic or a lot of keywords. And so there's a little introduction here. There's a video even that you can watch on how to do this. The second thing is finding sources using our databases, specific databases, that is. So maybe you only want to search one database at a time. This shows you how you can do that. You can go to our articles and databases page. You can choose a specific database that you're interested in, and then you can go ahead and search it. And so there's lots of tips here with examples using something called Opposing Viewpoints, which is a really fun database. CQ Researcher, and our largest database, Academic Search Complete. And there's video tutorials about all of these here. The last thing I wanted to mention is Mla Citation. We have a page for this. If you go to the library homepage, you can see there's a link for citations and how to do that. And this is kind of what that page looks like for Mla, which is what you're using for Professor Leal's class. Also with some tips here about how to do in-text citation, which is really helpful. So remember that you can always go to the library website. It's found at the bottom of all of our Cabrillo pages. And there's a link there if you wanted to talk to a librarian virtually. And you can also always contact me via the Canvas inbox or email. Okay, I hope that helps. Good luck, everybody. Bye.